Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter privacy settings. On settings, we will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down and we click here on apps. So we come here to apps window, we will click here on to looking for Twitter app. We'll just go down and we will go to find Twitter. We will click here on Twitter. Then we come to Twitter window here. We will click here on force stop. Then we will click here on OK. And we will click here on storage. Then we click here on clear cache. And we click here on clear data. And you just go to Play Store and you can update your app and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video about all Twitter settings.